Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome to another video. And today, after a long break from YouTube, I'm actually back with a lot of information for you guys. So basically, today's video is going to be about 5 best ways to build wealth in your 20s. I've been doing a lot of studying, and that's why I've taken such a big break from YouTube and making all of these long videos. I've been uploading my YouTube shorts, basically the Instagram reels I've been posting it on shorts on YouTube. And I've been focusing a lot on fitness and also on the mind, basically body and mind. So basically I've come up with 5 brilliant ways to build your wealth in your 20s. So basically the first way is start up a business. So a lot of you guys are going to think that businesses fail in the world today, but where we are in the world today, where there is internet, where there is everything online, everything's on online platforms, you can have multi-million-dollar businesses right from your houses without any employees, without even any raw material, and you can actually run a successful business from anywhere in the world, sitting at home on your laptop. So I feel like one of the most important things you should do is start a business. It can be something related to marketing, it can be related to something on the lines of clothing and merchandise, but that would require investment and that would require employees and all of that. But one thing I know is if you start a business, you're not gonna regret it. You might lose some money, you might even make a lot of money, but you're not gonna regret it. You're only gonna learn, and it's gonna be a lesson to you even if you do lose some money. So I feel like it's technically a win-win situation, because you are gonna be learning something. You are gonna at least learn a lesson if you start a business, and if not a lesson, you're gonna earn millions of dollars. So I honestly feel, do your own research, think about which area you want to start a business in, and go for it. Just start a business. I myself have a few startups of my own, and honestly telling you, even though I've not made a lot of money from my startups, I am actually learning a lot of things about how the market is in today's day and age, how everything is going on today. So I actually feel like you should start your own business. The second best way to build your wealth in your 20s is get as much as job experience as possible. So a lot of people have a very good idea where they start working when they're in college itself, which is one of the best things. Because if you start working while you're in university, you're gonna start understanding how the market outside is. You're gonna get out of your comfort zone. You're gonna gain a lot of experience with people who are already in the market, who already know more than you. You're gonna get a lot of contacts, and one of the most important things you need to understand is your network is your net worth. So basically, you need to get to know a lot of people. You need to have 1 million contacts in today's day and age. You need to know what's actually taking place in the market to actually succeed. So also, before you have your own business, this should have been the first point. So first you get as much job experience as possible, and then after that, maybe after working for like a year or two, when you're completely aware about one particular market, you go ahead and make your business. So that's what I feel. Me personally, I've worked in a lot of places to understand what's happening in every market, and even if it's going to be minimum wage, do it for the sake of doing it, do it for the sake of learning. Do not focus on the money immediately. When you go to your business, you can actually start thinking of money then, but when you're starting off, it's okay if it's minimum wage. You just want to learn from the people who already know more than you. The one thing you have to understand is knowledge will remain with you throughout. If you earn something in your job, it's gonna get spent tomorrow or the day after, unless you save it, which is a point for the future. But what you need to know is get knowledge. When you join a job for minimum pay, or even if they don't pay you at all, work for free, but you have to learn. So get to learn what's happening in the market. Eventually you will get there and you'll start your own business and you'll start making money on your own. The third way to increase your wealth in your 20s is invest everything that you have. Now don't get me wrong, if you have $10,000 with you, I want you to invest $9,000 and keep $1,000 for yourself to like spend on yourself and all of that. Maybe you have rents to pay, maybe you want to go out for a good lunch, and maybe you want to go buy some stuff for yourself. Sure, do that. But remember, investments is one of the most important things, and you have to have great investments. So what people don't understand is when you invest money, it grows pretty quickly. You have to understand, make investments quickly. Don't wait for the right time, because there is no right time. If you were gonna go invest tomorrow, don't wait for tomorrow, do it right now, because the more time you wait to invest your money, the lesser the interest you're gonna get on it. So basically, It's that simple. If you invest tomorrow, you're gonna get a few cents lesser than you would earn if you had invested that money today. So basically, the more you invest, for example, if you invest $5,000, it can go to $10,000 like within a few years, even within a few months, based on what you invest in. But if you invest $9,000, as I told you, you had 10,000. If you invest $9,000, it's going to become $18,000 within a few months or the years, based on what you invest in again. But the more you invest, it's going to be better for you. So you have to understand one simple thing. Do not see investments as something bad. I know a lot of people make this mistake. They see that money is going out, so investments are bad. That is not how it works. And people have this wrong concept till they're 18, till they're 17, 18. But after that, they actually start learning how important investments are. Investing on yourself is good, which is another point for the future again. Investing on yourself is brilliant, but don't spend on yourself. Don't buy those stupid shoes for like $5,000. I don't want you to do that. You can buy shoes for $500 and invest the $4,500 somewhere else, which will actually make you money in the future. You can buy 15 of those shoes in the future, which I obviously don't want you to buy, but I'm saying you can buy. So make sure you invest and not spend. This is the fourth point to build your wealth in your 20s. Live like you're broke. You would have heard this a million times, but this is one of the most important things and one of the most important ways to like grow your wealth is to live like you're broke. Again, as I just told you, if there are shoes for $5,000, I don't want you to go buy those shoes. I want you to buy the shoes which are available for $500 or even lesser if possible. Like, you know, $100 shoes, $50 shoes, it doesn't really matter. Live like you're broke, because these days everything is overpriced. So like if something is available in the market for $5,000, the same thing is there for like $100. It's just the brand name. So don't run behind those brands, because later in the future you're going to realize that you're losing out on a lot of money because you're running behind and you're chasing a few of these stupid brands which you don't even need to like show off. And basically what live like you're broke means is don't even buy those $500 shoes. Don't even buy those $50 shoes. If you have shoes, use those. You don't even need to buy new shoes until it actually does. So basically I want you to understand, save as much money as possible, invest the remaining money, and spend a limited amount of money where you have to spend, but don't go throwing around money. For example, if you can cook a meal at home for like $2 or $3, don't go spend $20, $30 on the same meal outside. The entire moral of this whole conversation is save money, because money speaks only one language. You save me today, I'll save you tomorrow. However stupid that might sound, it is very true, because the more you save today, or the more you invest today, because of inflation, it's gonna grow. You're gonna have more money tomorrow. So make sure you're not spending stupidly. Obviously enjoy. I'm not telling you not to live your life, but just know where to spend that money. So this next point is 2 points together. Invest in yourself and stay healthy. These two are one of the most important things. So invest in yourself is like go to a gym, buy a gym membership, because that's one of the most important things, and you have to know how to be healthy and live for yourself. So always invest in yourself, buy a few good books, listen to a few good books on Audible, and be happy and be healthy. That's one of the most important.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, with emotion.
Guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.